welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nishithav. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like BoxyCharm unboxing videos. So there are 5 products in this month's box as well. So the first product is from Ofra Cosmetics. So they sent a blush and a pop-up palette mini. So it's more like a Z palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It's cool. I mean, it would be travel friendly if you wanna just pop on all your singles, eyeshadows, blushes and anything. So it's Z palette, and the blush is good. I mean, the texture is nice. It's very smooth. It blended out really well, but the color is not my favorite. I mean, this is what I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. It looks okay, but these are not the colors that I tend to go for a lot. And this one the palette retails for $19 and the blush retails for $12. And the next product that I have is from Cover FX. It's their Shimmer Veil eyeshadow. This is a liquid eyeshadow. So I'm not a big fan of this product. I don't know, for some reason it did not, it applied patchy on my eyelids. I don't like it. It's too glittery for my liking. The color is not my favorite as well. I do not tend to reach for this kind of unicorn colors. And this one retails for $28. And the next product that we have is a Smokey eye pencil, and this is from Vintage Cosmetics. So I use this on my waterline and on my lash line and waterline as well. It went on really smooth. It did not poke or anything. Usually pencils like this, they tend to poke in your eyes when they're really stiff. So this is not stiff, and it's really good. It has really good pigment, but I kind of prefer retractable liners. But this one is good too. I mean, the formula is good. It's very smooth and buttery. I like this eyeliner. I have nothing bad to say about this. And this one retails for $21. And the next product that we have is from the brand Pure. It's their Fall Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. So I use this one once or twice. It does make your, removes all the dead skin from your lips. But it is a good exfoliator. Kind of reminds me of lip exfoliator that Tarte carries. And this one retails for $17. And the next and the last product that I have is from the brand Crown Pro. It's their trio brush set. We have gotten crown brushes in the box before. They're always a hit and miss. A few of them I really like, and one, I think it came in the November box or something. I don't remember exactly what month it was, but that brush is not that great. It's kind of stiff and it doesn't blend the product really well. But these 3 I like. I use this to apply my blush today, and I use this for my contour. These are really smooth and they blend out the product really well as well. This is more like a flat shader brush, and you can also blend out your concealer, but I prefer beauty blenders to do that, so I didn't get to use this one. But these 2 are really good. And this whole set retails for $30. So I did the math, and the overall value of this month's box is $127, which is really good considering you pay only $22. But this month's box is not one of my favorite boxes ever, only because there are 2 products that I don't see myself using or reaching for a lot, because this one, the color isn't my favorite, and the formula, it did not work well on my eyes, so I don't like this one. I'm not a big fan of this one. And this one, the palette is really good, but the blush I won't be reaching for. Other than these 2, I think the other products are really good. The lip exfoliator works really well, and the eyeliner is really good, and the brushes are really good as well. I see myself using these 3 a lot, but not the other 2. So yeah, I think that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.